Mobility Ideal Healthcare, a member of the MIH group of companies, successfully concluded its annual holiday party on Friday evening, December 5th, bringing together staff, partners, and supporters for a night of recognition and celebration. Special dance performances by students of Rohit Bakshi from Satrangi Fusion Dance Academy enthralled the crowd present there. Take a look.
And because of this, the Mobility Ideal Health does what they do every day to help our patients. Thank you guys. Please have your seat. Thank you, Dr. Rastogi. Dr. AJ has been a prominent pain physician in New Jersey, Delaware, Pennsylvania, and New York.
I couldn't be more pleased with the partnership, the service, the relationship here. Rakesh and Ken run an amazing company and provide a fantastic service to our patients. But more important,
Thank you.
Thank you, Rakesh, and what an amazing program like always. We have known Rakesh for more than 20 years, although he looks very young, but he is definitely, we have a long relationship. For him, patient always comes first, and that we appreciate that very much. Whenever we have urgent need for any needs, he is always there. So thank you, Rakesh, for being part of our business and part of our friendship. Thank you.
All right, now we're going to invite Dr. Slavin Kirian. I'm not sure if he's here today, but maybe on his behalf, some of NASPAC team can accept his recognition. Dr. Slavin. So Dr. AJ will receive his recognition. Thank you. Now let me call the next person, Dr. Deepak Patel. He's an orthopedic surgeon. He has been with the company for many years. He has supported us in so many ways and helping change the lives of so many of our patients. Some of the patients are also here, but he has been an incredible support and a physician in this space of orthopedics. Thank you, Dr. Patel. Thank you. We have another recognition for one of our very big supporter in South Jersey, Dr. Holly Graves. She's a vascular surgeon, but I'm not sure if she's here. May I ask Gail to collect on our behalf. Gail, please come over. So Dr. Gray in South Jersey, she has been supporting us for several years, and we cannot forget her support throughout this whole period. So Gail and Wayne will collect the recognition on her behalf. Thank you. Now, next one, we're going to invite us since almost 2002 when I started my career in New Jersey. Thank you. Most of these patients who are working with the different high-tech prosthetic stuff, mainly due to Autobox support. Autobox is the largest manufacturer of prosthetics and orthotics in the world, and Matt is our partner in this journey. So Matt, thank you so much for helping us grow and helping our patients. Thank you. We have couple of more and then we will be done. And everybody to rise for that person. Everybody rise, please. Everybody. Please maintain silence for this gentleman. I cannot tell you that this gentleman has changed my life in last 15 years that I have met him. And this guy is none other than our Rohit Bakshi. Please come on. Rohit Bakshi, please come on. Okay. So let me just say a couple of words about Rohit. Rohit, as you guys know, some of you, he's a great choreographer. He runs a dancing school, but that is not special. Rohit, I met about 15 years ago as a patient. And I couldn't believe when I saw him first time that this guy, I heard his name, he has a dancing school, but why is in my office? So when he came, and I said, how can I help you? He says, I need a prosthesis. And I said, but you don't look like that you need a prosthesis.
Hi, we are here with Satrangi School of Fusion at the coveted Mobility Clinic Ideal Health annual party where we just finished performing our amazing mega segment. And with me I have Rohit John here who's going to talk something about Mobility Ideal Health.
It's been a really nice experience working here for a year right now. You learn so much, you do so much, and especially in the field of healthcare and to be precise, prosthetic and orthotics and DME stuff. It's amazing. You see so many different patients every day. You meet so many new vendors, you meet so many different patients. You learn a lot in this field. Yep, it's been amazing, and the colleagues are like family right now. And yep, it's amazing.